Hi everyone, I'm Matt Lombard, Chief Information Security Officer at UF Health.
And I'm Craig Richardville, Deputy Chief Information Officer. October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and we're here today to talk about the steps everyone can take to keep our systems and patient information safe.
You may have heard that our team has been hard at work with the Epic Modernization Kickoff. This effort will make UF Health's electronic medical record system more consistent, improve quality, and provide real-time insights into our care delivery.
That's right, Matt. It's about streamlining workflows and bringing in tools like AI and advanced analytics to give us a clearer view of where patients are and where they need to be. This lets physicians and other healthcare providers focus on care, not coordination.
Ultimately, it's about building a system that supports everyone, our teams, our physicians, and most importantly, our patients, so care is smoother, faster, and more connected.
And while modernization is about building for the future, it only works if we protect our current systems and patient information from cyber threats.
Exactly, Craig. I thought it would be fun to break this down into a quick game of fact or myth. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Fact or myth? Cybersecurity is something only IT has to worry about.
That's a myth. Every team member at UF Health, from nurses and physicians to IT and support staff, plays a role in keeping patient data secure. Even if you don't use your computer throughout the day, you are still at risk of phishing emails, social engineering, or other threats that could compromise patient information.
Fact or myth? If you receive an email that looks like it's from your boss, then it must be safe to open and respond.
Myth. Attackers often impersonate organizational leaders and will often request payment or sensitive information. It's important to always double-check before you click.
That's right. If something seems off in an email, the first step is to check the sender's address carefully. If the request feels unusual, confirm directly with the person instead of replying. Keep an eye out for warning signs like urgent language, unexpected attachments, or questionable links. And of course, if anything seems out of the ordinary, report it to our IT security team right away. Okay, last one, Craig. Multi-factor authentication helps protect against some of the most common cyber attacks that we face.
That's a fact. Multi-factor authentication is one of the strongest defenses against stolen password. It also helps block attackers even if they manage to get your login, and it keeps sensitive patient data better protected.
Thanks for playing, Craig. At UF Health, the most common threats include phishing emails that trick you into clicking a link or sharing your login, ransomware that locks systems until payment is made, or social engineering where someone pretends to be a coworker or vendor to gain your trust.
These threats are real, but the good news is that most can be prevented with a few easy habits.
Exactly. By using multi-factor authentication, keeping your password strong, locking your device whenever you step away, and pausing before you click, you can protect yourself and our patients.
It might seem small, but these habits make a huge difference in keeping both staff and patient information secure. Here's a quick example. A staff member recently got an email that looked like it came from their supervisor, asking them to share a list of patient names. But because they paused and reported it, a potential data breach was avoided. These almost mistakes are reminders that attackers rely on us being busy or distracted. If you ever see something questionable, forward it to reportphishing@ufhealth.org or call your local IT help desk.
And one more reminder, October is also our CyberWeen Challenge, a statewide competition from October 20th through the 31st. Just visit cyberween.security.ufl.edu. Complete a short quiz and sign in with your GatorLink login so your score counts towards UF Health. Every participant helps strengthen our defenses, and we want UF Health on top of the leaderboard.
So remember, pause before you click, use multi-factor authentication, and join us for CyberWeen. Thanks for doing your part to protect UF Health every day.